Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2008 to 2010 Ford F-250 or F-350. We put a 4.5-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x10 American Truxx Web 161 wheels and a black and milled finish, and some 37 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. We also put rough country's pocket fender flares with rivets. Now, as you can tell, the truck is Kevlar, but we will not get into that. This 4.5-inch rough country lift kit, we have a couple of tips. The first one is make sure you have a pitman arm puller. They are a pain in the butt to get off, unless you're doing it to a brand new vehicle, but you're doing it to a 2008 to 2010 Ford. So they are going to be a pain to get off. Just go ahead and know that. Also, the next tip is if you're doing it to a F-350, make sure you have a shop that can make you new U-bolts in the rear, because the diameter, it's not even the diameter. Rough Country will tell you it's the diameter. It's the height of your U-bolts. The length of your U-bolts need to be longer because F-350s have a factory overload spring. It should cost somewhere in the ballpark of $100 to get your 4 U-bolts with nuts and washers. If it costs you more, maybe go look at another shop. These American Truxx 161 wheels, they are in a black and milled window finish. They also offer them in a black and machined window. However, we have in the video a wheel matchup with this tire and wheel combo, so go ahead and get on our YouTube or Facebook and search American Truxx 161 wheel matchup 37 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires to get more details on these tires and wheels. These rough country pocket fender flares are a piece of cake to install. However, they come in an unfinished flat black. You will probably want to take them to a paint shop to get painted, or if the truck is Kevlar like this one, you'll want to have them Kevlar. They're a very simple, easy install. You just got a couple of screws on the inside of the fender that you'll take off and then reinstall with your new fenders. Besides that, the kit is a piece of cake to install. It's a solid front axle and a solid rear axle. It doesn't get much simpler than that. It's a great look for an F-250 or an F-350. You can clear 37s, piece of cake. I'm very confident that you could do a 20x12 and clear 37s, no problem. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels or the lift or the fenders or some shocks or rails or anything for your vehicle, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And finally, we're going to start partnering with our dealers and posting their vehicles on our website. So if you're sitting in your chair and you're thinking, Michael, I wish I could just buy a pre-built vehicle and just have it shipped to my house or go to the dealer and pick it up. I don't want to buy a vehicle and have to bring it to you. I just want it already done. Go to our website, look at the inventory page, and hopefully you can find a vehicle that you like and the dealer can sell it to you at a great price. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.